Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. I'm Robbie. Today we've got Jake, our head distiller, on. He's doing his first Mixology Monday video today. I'm pretty excited. Jake,
I'm pretty excited.
What do you have for us today?
So today we're going to be making Hunter's Holiday Mulled Wine.
Sounds good.
It is delicious.
Looked like it was a lot of work too. I saw you prepping and stuff.
It's a little bit of prep work, yeah.
Nice. What liquor are we putting in this?
We're going to be putting Queen Charlotte barrel-aged rum into this.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well let's get started. We're going to start with, you got your crock pot here.
Yeah, so this can be done in a pot on the stove or in a crock pot. I prefer the crock pot because you can just set it on low, put the timer for a couple hours, and let the wine heat up while you're doing other holiday cooking preparations, and then come back to it, add in the other ingredients, and let it continue to set, and it just kind of stays out of the way.
Set it.
Not taking up room on your stove when you might be needing to do other things.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so the first step with the crock pot is?
So first we're going to put 2 bottles of your preferred red wine and then let it heat up for about an hour. So next we are going to slice up a fresh orange, maybe saving a couple slices for our garnishes on our glasses, but otherwise the whole orange goes into the wine.
Cool. All right, well, let's get this going. So you've heated up the wine here.
The wine
now it's
is nice and warm,
time, right?
Yes.
Essentially, you're past stage 1. You've done your prep, put everything out. So now we're going to just add it all to the pot, right?
Add it all to the pot.
All right. Well,
so that's the idea with mulled wine, is it's spices and other flavors added to wine to kind of make it more winter friendly and warm and
nice.
Alrighty. So going to add in our orange slices, and I'm going to save one for the garnishes later.
All right, so we got the oranges in. What you putting in next here? You got all sorts of stuff.
So next, why don't we go ahead and add in the maple syrup.
All right, that's this?
Yep, so it's the maple syrup. We've already measured out a half a cup of maple syrup.
Half cup maple syrup.
Half cup.
All right, so we got that in there?
Yeah, so now that we poured out the maple syrup, let's go ahead and use the cup again. We're going to measure out 1 cup of apple cider. You can also use apple juice, but since it's the fall...
Tom Cruise.
Since it's fall, we're going to use apple cider. It's a little more seasonal. Or you can just leave this out. It's not an absolute necessity, but I prefer to add a little apple cider.
I think you should. I think that's part of the awesomeness of it.
It is.
All right, so we got cider in there.
Got the cider in there. All right, next thing is going to go ahead and be our last liquid, which is going to be the Queen Charlotte.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to add a whole cup.
And we're doing Queen Charlotte's Reserve 1 year for this. This is our most awarded product. It's been in Playboy Magazine, TravelMajorLiquor.com, Miami Rum Fest Gold Medal Award winner. Part of what makes us top 10 craft rum distilleries in the country right now. Super excited about this. How much of this are we doing?
A whole cup.
A whole cup?
Yeah.
This is Tom Cruise.
Oh, yeah. Very fancy. Yep.
I mean, there's quicker ways to do this, but not nearly
not nearly as nice looking. Maybe a little bit more than that, if you're feeling a little adventurous.
If you're a professional.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, got the Queen Charlotte in there.
Yep. And this right here is the main reason you don't want to turn your stove up too high or your crock pot up too high, is because if it's too hot, it's going to evaporate all the alcohol out, and you don't want that.
No.
The whole point of this is to have alcohol.
And if you spill alcohol on the stove, you could possibly...
You don't want to do that either.
Catch on fire.
So leaving it on low, it gets nice and warm, but doesn't evaporate that alcohol out, at least not too quickly. So.
It's not too hot, you can drink it faster.
Yeah. This can be drank straight out of the crock pot.
Nice.
Alrighty, so next we're going to add in our spices.
Okay.
So we've got 5 spices today. 5? 5 spices today. So it's going to be whole cinnamon sticks. They're all whole spices. It's got to be whole spices, or else it kind of makes a paste and it's nasty, and you don't want that. So whole cinnamon sticks, whole black peppercorns. We have star anise, cloves, and then I'm going to be adventurous today and add a bay leaf, and we're going to see how that goes. This is the first time doing that. So,
you want me to help you with these?
Yeah, if you would.
Just doing all of it?
No. So why don't you take these, and you're going to put in 6 of the whole stars, because these need to be measured.
It's crazy that nature grows something this shape. Nature.
So for the cinnamon sticks, you're going to want 3 or 4 cinnamon sticks. I just happen to have 3. No problem. That's fine. I just happen to have 3 cinnamon sticks left, so I'm putting in 3. You can do 4. You're going to do 6 stars of star anise, and then 1 teaspoon each of black peppercorns and cloves, and then a single bay leaf. And our final ingredient is going to be our cranberries. The amount of these is optional. 1 to 2 cups. I'm using 2 cups now just because I like cranberries in my mulled wine, so they go good as a garnish in the final drink. So, very gingerly dump these.
Oh, it's looking good, man.
All right, now I need a spoon of some sort. If you hand me the bar spoon, I'm gonna stir this up. Now, ideally, you'll let this steep or infuse, or however you want to call it, for 30 minutes to an hour, and then it's ready to serve. So we're gonna wait about 30 minutes, and then we'll
come back to it.
All right.
All right.
Bring it down to the back. Oh, sure. Yeah, he's doing it. What is your,
All right.
Hey, bud.
Hey,
And we're back.
we are back. So we have let our mulled wine steep for about an hour, and now it's ready to serve.
All right, I'm excited about this. We took a whiff earlier. Let's do that again real quick.
Yeah, it's so good.
God bless America. That is,
It's like Christmas or just fall.
it's like every Hallmark
All
movie
the holidays,
just sat
Hallmark
into it.
movies. Right into one.
Nice.
Yeah,
I'm excited
that's the
about
smell.
So is there anything else we need to do, or is this ready to
No, this is ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna open it up. So we've got our cranberries and oranges and some of the spices floating on top. We're just gonna measure out some wine. Gonna get it nice and slow. Get a few cranberries in there. That's perfect because those are gonna look real good floating on top.
Cool. That's it. Are you ready to drink this
That's
thing?
it. Ready to drink.
All right, man. Well, thanks for making this drink today.
All right. Hunter's
Cheers,
Holiday
brother.
Mulled Wine.
Perfect. Oh, that's good. Time. It takes time to do
It
that.
does, yeah. You gotta let it sit.
Mm-hmm.
That is wonderful.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Jake's recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and other interesting things we have going on. Please check out the Mixology Monday channel for other drinks that we make every week. And enjoy your holidays. Thank you so much. Cheers. This is going to be the best video we've ever made. Way better than the ones with Jeff.
Yeah, he's the worst.
He is the worst.
And now we have it on camera.
Recorded forever. All right. It's like we're...
That's it. Action. We make the other drinks, and then we come back to it.
I don't get it, but whatever.
30 minutes, Robbie. The spices got to sit in 30 minutes.
I want to stay here for 30 minutes. You're